Galileo number 3. Item number 1. I was born in Venice and moved to Florence when I was very young. Number 2. My father played the lute, which didn't make us very much money. I had only one younger sister, which is why I was expected to make money for the family. I was sent off to monastery to train to become a priest to support our family. I liked it quite a bit, but I got in trouble a few times and realized being a priest just wasn't for me. Number 4, once I realized I wouldn't make a good priest, I started looking at other options. I had learned about taking care of people at the monastery, and I figured I might as well get paid for it. So I decided to start focusing on science so I could become a doctor. Yes, I did. Well, I liked learning at least. I got into many arguments with my teachers about sciences, so I got in trouble often for no reason. I didn't like that part much at all. I did like doing experiments to prove they were wrong, though. Number 6, most of what I learned on my own using the scientific method. It made sense to do experiments and then observe the results before making a hypothesis. Number 7, I wanted to show that objects all fall at the same speed, so I dropped various sized and weighted objects off the Tower of Pisa. To this day, I'm not sure why, but the light objects kept falling a tiny bit faster than the heavy ones. I still think my theory is correct, though. This thing was so easy, I couldn't believe nobody else thought of it. I took a children's toy called a spyglass that had two lenses. With it, you could see about 3 times farther than normal. All I did was flip one of the lenses around and I could see 20 times farther. I made a good amount of money off that little invention, I must say. Number 9, I saw so many things that I wrote a book called What's Up There? I drew sketches of the many things people had never seen before, like the surface of the moon and the rings of Saturn. Number 10, my experiments with falling objects and motion provided that things could move even if they didn't feel it. Once I proved that the rest was easy just by showing how things moved on my maps of the stars. Number 11, my book was called Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems. It was written as an argument between two characters. One represented the church's old ideas and one represented my new scientific ideas. Number 12, I named the church character Simplico as a joke. I knew it meant idiot. That was the point. I thought it was funny. Anyone who was still holding on to their old beliefs at this point was just being ridiculous anyway. I was obviously right. Number 13, they hauled me right off to the Inquisition. That's how. Number 14, nothing happened. They were totally cool. Are you kidding me? What do you think happened? They found me guilty, even though I was obviously right, and they threw me in jail. Number 15, I spent the rest of my life under house arrest where I continued my experiments. I guess it could have been worse. Thank you. Have a nice day.